before we jump into day 2, I want to do a quick review on end behaviors. So let's just think through some here. Let's say I have a polynomial that is 5x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 1. What determines the end behavior is this number and this number. Because this one is even, that means the ends are going to be the same. Because this is positive, that means the ends are going to both be going up, just like an x squared one. And we know that from last unit. So to write the end behaviors for this one, I'm going to say that as x approaches negative infinity and positive infinity, the y's are getting bigger. F of x approaches infinity. Let's think about what would happen if this was negative 5x to the 6th. So again, I'm looking at even. So the ends are either both going up or both going down. But because it's negative, the ends are both going down. So it'll look something like this. So I will say as x approaches positive and negative infinity, f of x approaches negative infinity. If you're struggling with this, don't panic. We're going to go over this every single day and start tying it in with graphs. Okay, let's think about what would happen if I had one like f of x equals 7x to the 9th. So this is odd. When it's odd, that means my ends are they're going to be different. They're either going to be going in this direction or they're going to be going in this direction. Because this is a positive number, they're going to be going in this direction. So my ends are going to go from down to up. This is out. So on this one, I would say, as x gets smaller, f of x gets smaller. And as x gets bigger, so as x goes this direction, so does y. Okay, let's think about what if that was negative 7x to the 9th. So it's odd, the ends are different, but because it's negative, this time they start up and go down. So I would say as x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches infinity. And as x approaches negative infinity, whoops, sorry, that should be positive infinity, go in this direction, f of x approaches negative infinity. We'll get better at this each time.